In this lesson, we're going to take a deeper dive into playlists. So from your dashboard, if you hover over other features, you can click this playlist button, which as you see there, it actually isn't built into the new YouTube Studio experience yet. So if you are on the classic Creator Studio, you'll find playlists under Video Manager. So click on Video Manager, then click on Playlist. And this is basically where you see the same options. So it takes you to this page. So here you have all of your playlists. And here you can see what it looks like if you have existing playlists. Here you can see all of mine. Art classes, online course masters, personal finance videos. It's a good idea to create playlists for all of the major categories of your videos. These playlists show up on your channel. So if someone's coming to your channel, they can click on the playlist tab. And it's just an easier way to find your videos. You can create new playlists up here by clicking new playlist and creating a playlist title. And then as we saw back before on the video page, or on the video page of the YouTube Studio, you can add videos to a playlist. Also, when you are uploading, you can add videos to playlists. Also, again, note that I have these TubeBuddy extension installed. You're not going to see these actions or anything like this without it installed, but you don't need that. You can filter by newest created, oldest created, A to Z. And then if you want to go in and edit a playlist, you can click this Edit Playlist button. So let's go ahead and go into Adobe Lightroom Tutorials and click Edit Playlist. This takes you to the playlist itself. So to edit it, just click Edit here. And it's going to take you to another page where you can add a description, you can edit the title, you can add videos to it. So if you click Add Videos, you can go through your videos you can actually add videos from any other person's channel to your own playlist. You can adjust how it appears. So if you click Playlist Settings, you can see that it has the privacy settings and then the ordering. So I like to have all of my playlists ordered from date added. So the newest videos will show up first. Sometimes you want to have a manual ordering. For example, if you've created sort of a series of videos, you might want to manually order it, or you can do it most popular, really any of these. And so actually date added or date published is probably the best option, because sometimes I add videos later that have been published for a long time. You also have this option for allow embedding, so people can actually, or you can embed, or other people can embed an entire playlist onto a website, which is a cool thing to do. You can also create auto add rules. So for example, if the title includes, or the description includes, or tag includes Lightroom, for example, now any video that I upload that has Lightroom as a tag will automatically be added to this playlist, which is a really cool option. You can also choose to allow collaborators to add videos to this playlist. If you turn this on, you can click create a link, and they will be able to add videos with that link. Once you're done, just click the save button. Notice that since I added that auto add confirmation, it shows that one recent video matches this rule. I'm going to check that button and click done, so it adds it to this playlist. One more thing to note is if you want a specific thumbnail to be the thumbnail for this playlist, you can find that video, click this drop down button for more, and choose set as playlist thumbnail. And that thumbnail is going to be the one that actually shows up on the playlist itself. Here you also have an option for sharing. So this is where you can share links or embed this playlist into your own website. If you drop down the embed settings, you have different options for video size, showing player controls or not, showing the titles, and other options like that. Okay, so that's pretty much it with the playlist. As you can see, it's taking me back to my channel itself. And so here's just like kind of the general playlist page. So on the channel itself, you can edit your playlist, you can add playlists, you can also move around on your channel how your playlist appears. So right now it's set up so that it shows the playlist with the most recent video added, or you can change it to the date created, newest or oldest. So that will order it if you have if you want your oldest playlist to show up first. You can also show your playlist up as a list or a grid. So this is what it would look like if we have a list, but I like how it looked like as a grid. So I'm going to keep it as a grid. So that's pretty much all I want to show you about playlists. If you have any other questions, please let me know. But remember, this is going to be built into the YouTube Studio in the future. So it's probably going to be an option under here, or it might be in the videos page. But eventually it will be here in a different spot. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next lesson.